Rob Frazier here. So this video, I wanted to talk about how I'm going to start helping more and more people with this particular sales funnel. I've had a lot of people asking me different questions, and I've kind of been not necessarily ignoring people, but just putting my head down, thinking of different ways to help people, which is that's what dominates my time outside of my soon-to-be 20-month-old kiddo running around the place. So, the Yellow Brick Road system. It's going to be 3 steps. Actually, it's going to be about 4 steps. 3 or 4 steps for success with this system. I have a whole bunch of different people asking me different questions. I got some haters out there. I just got a lot of crap. But any which way, just moving forward, the Yellow Brick Road system consists of an instant cash paying business and a residual income providing marketing system. The idea is when you combine these 2 types of comp plans, you get right now today money and you build your residual income. There's a lot of power in this model. I've used this model to earn just shy, I actually think I crossed $290,000 over the course of the past couple years. Income disclaimer, I followed this plan for a while and it took me a while to perfect it and also to find a decent sales funnel to promote this thing with. So, that being said, I'm going to just talk about the how, and I'm going to talk about a few bonuses at the end. Number 1, with this whole system, there is going to be a share code with the Power Lead system. Power Lead system is the marketing system, and then we have an instant cash paying business up front. The whole idea is when you set up this whole system, this page right here is what you want to send people to. And I will help you send people to this page. And I'm going to talk about that with the bonuses. So, how to use this system, the Yellow Brick Road system, to make money on the internet. How to use the Yellow Brick Road system to make right now today money, I think is what I'm going to call this video. Number 1, step 1, you're going to have to get set up. That means you're going to have to join the instant cash paying business. You're going to have to join one of the levels, $25, $100, $250, $500, or $1,000 level. The bonuses at the end of this video is only going to apply to the $250, the $500, and $1,000 level. That being said, you can make money at any level. You can come in at the $25 level, but keep in mind, if you come in at the $25 level, you're going to get the information at the $25 level, and you're only going to be poised to earn $25 commissions. So the higher you can come in, the sweet spot is the $250 and the $500 level. That right there is a sweet spot, and that's why I'm making my bonuses more so aimed at that $250 and $500 level. That commission is chunky. I mean, you get a $250 commission, that's putting a smile on your face. You get a $100 commission, it's okay. You get a $25 commission, it's nothing to really get excited about. When you say, hey, I made $100 online, okay. Hey, I made my first $250 online. That's pretty chunky. You make $250 in a day, you can do it over and over and over again. Same thing with the $500 or the $1,000 level. But $250 and that $500 levels just seem to be the real sweet spot with this instant cash paying business. Now, we have the instant cash paying business, and then we have the marketing system. So 2 completely different things. We have a business here, all tied up in one system, which is the $25, the $100, $255, and $1,000 level. Then we have the marketing system. Marketing system is $30 a month. If you want to be an affiliate of the marketing system, it's $54 a month. And I highly recommend folks getting that $54 a month. So you have 2 streams of income set up off the bat. You have your instant paying business, instant paying commissions, right now today money, plus your residual. Now, step 1, you set up the Yellow Brick Road system. That's this whole thing. When you click step 2, which is the whole part of the whole Yellow Brick Road system, you're going to get access to the marketing system. You're going to see share code set up. You're going to see how to get traffic. And you're going to see some more training and things like that. Also, you're going to see a video I filmed in here where I basically talk about earning my 290K. I'm going to just click here just so you can see what it looks like. When you click on that video, when this page loads, my video is in there for you to use. And I also got the timer here because I want to make sure I get all the information out there. So step 1, you set up the whole Yellow Brick Road system. You go through the share code information you set up. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I will help you. But you have to do some effort on your own. But if you're joining this and you're totally new and you need help, I will help you. Just reach out and just have patience when you reach out as well, because I got a lot of people always hitting me up. So you get that set up. Step 2, you plug in a training. Where are you going to get training? Well, it's very simple. When you're going through this funnel, the Facebook group, Rank Makers. So the Facebook group, number 1, Rank Makers, number 2. There's going to be an endless free leads training you get when you sign up for the marketing system. That's number 3. And then the marketing system also has Wednesday night training and Thursday night training every single week, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every single week. 5 places. The Facebook group. Matter of fact, I'm going to say Facebook groups because there's a Yellow Brick Road Facebook group, and then I have a Facebook group. And when you go through this funnel, you'll see a link for my own Facebook group for you to get into. It's on this first page. Down here. Connect with me here. So the Facebook groups, Rank Makers, endless free leads, Wednesday and Thursday night training. 5 places to get training. So step 1, set up the system. Step 2, plug in a training. Step 3, slam traffic. How do you slam traffic? That's what you're going to learn in the training. That's what you're going to learn in my Facebook groups. You slam traffic. Where am I slamming traffic? This page right here. What's this page? This is a capture page you get when you purchase the Power Lead system and you set up the share code for this whole Yellow Brick Road system. And the whole idea is to simply get people to this page. A certain percentage will come to this page, a smaller percentage will put in their email address, a smaller percentage will put in their real email address, smaller percentage will open up those emails, and a smaller percentage will sign up for free accounts, smaller percentage will sign up for paid accounts. And once you do that, you'll find out your own numbers. My numbers are, I get people to this page, I get a 40% opt-in rate. About 30% of those people create free accounts, and every time 9 people create a free account, 1 person upgrades, and for every upgrade, I average $350. I know my numbers down to a T, and all I do is just plow people to this page because the whole system will sort it out. So step 1, set up the Yellow Brick Road system. The link to this page will be below this video. Step 2, plug in a training after you have it all set up. And you get into Facebook groups. If you have questions, ask in the Facebook groups. Step 3, slam traffic. And just keep repeating. Any money you make on the instant cash paying program, that money I'll show you how to split it up between your pocket and traffic and to keep this whole thing going. And my last couple things I want to add, for folks who join the first step, the first business at the $250 level, what I'm going to share with you has helped change my life. I got a Marine Corps 2011. I was in 6 figures of debt for 5 years, just bumbling around, not knowing what I was going to do until I came across this information. All of this information I'm going to give to you when you join at the $250, $500, or $1,000 level. If you join at the $250 level, you're going to get the book, It Works, the famous little red book that makes your dreams come true. You're going to get the physical book. I'm going to mail you a copy. You're going to get the PDF, and you're going to get a CD audio course called Success Secrets. I've listened to this course over and over and over again, and it has kept me in the game. I was divorced, I was estranged from 4 kids, I was in 6 figures of debt, just a real angry person, not trusting a whole lot of people, and just wanting to do something silly with my life. You know, the result of me not being here. So, that being said, you join at the $250 level, and you get the marketing system. So this also includes the marketing system. So for step 1, you have to join the instant cash paying business at that level, the $250 level, and you have to get the Power Lead system at least at the $30 level. You do that, you're going to get the book, It Works, Famous Little Red Book That Makes Your Dreams Come True. I'm going to mail you a copy. You're going to get the PDF. And I'm going to send you the Success Secrets book or CD. And I'm going to jump on the phone with you after you get everything set up for an hour to help guide you and help you use this information. If you join at the $500 level, you're going to get everything I just shared. You're going to get the It Works book, the PDF, you're going to get the CD, you're going to get me on the phone for 5 hours, not at one time. We're going to split it up and schedule it, and that's where I'm going to just guide you, mentor you on a one-on-one basis to help you take this system and use it to change your life. You're also going to get, now this is at the $500 level, you're also going to get a CD course called Your Wish Is Your Command. That's at the $500 level. $500 level, you're going to get the Your Wish Is Your Command CD course. And you're going to get it on a thumb drive as well. I'm going to send it to you on a thumb drive because I listen to the CDs only when I'm in my truck. But for the most part, I have the whole course on an iPod or my phone, and I just plug in my headphones and I listen to the course. I've listened to that course hundreds of times over the past 5 years. And what the Your Wish Is Your Command CD course is basically, it's taking the Success Secrets CD and just expanding it and covering everything in much more detail. That's at the $500 level, and you're also going to get me on the phone for 5 hours, and then that's where we're just going to keep talking about this whole funnel and this whole process and this whole course. The $1,000 level, you're going to get everything. You're going to get the It Works, Famous Little Red Book Makes Your Dreams Come True booklet. You're going to get the PDF. You're going to get the Success Secrets CD. You're going to get the Your Wish Is Your Command CD course. You're going to get me on the phone for 5 more hours at the $500 level. At the $1,000 level, you're going to get all of that, plus the Your Wish Is Your Command has a booklet that goes along with the course. You're also going to get me on the phone for 10 hours. You're also going to be on my inner circle. I'm going to always put you at the top of people that I'm working with, because then you'll be at my inner circle. However, you have to do your part. And the last thing, at the $1,000 level, you are going to get a special link. Every single week I'm going to host a mastermind, and this is for people who are just the closest to me, to which we're going to sit down and I'm going to help you with your business at the $1,000, but you have to join me at the $1,000 level to get all this stuff. Basically, you join me. Yes, some people will join me at the $25 level and expect hours and hours and hours of my time. It just doesn't quite work out that way. But I do want to reward the people who come in at the higher levels, more access to me, more masterminds, more get-togethers, more helping people out with their businesses. So that's what you're going to get at the $1,000 level. You're going to get me on the phone for 10 hours. You're going to get a special hangout with me every single week to talk about your business, how to make you money. These will not be recorded. I may record them, but may delete them just in case our schedules don't work out. You're going to get the It Works book, the PDF. You're going to get the Success Secrets DVD. You're going to get, or CD. You're going to get Your Wish Is Your Command CD course. You're going to get it all on a thumb drive. And I think, what else can I throw in there? I think that's pretty good deal. So the whole purpose is to help you get this system off the ground and making you daily money. And I need more people to have their own stories, to create testimonials, and that's why I'm doing this. So evergreen bonuses. This information has changed my life. I wouldn't be here speaking to you if I didn't. So that being said, almost at my 15-minute limit for a YouTube video. Going to hit stop and upload this. The link to this page will be below this video. I'm here to help you. And that's at the $255 and $1,000 levels. If you join me at the lower levels, I'll help you out. But for the people who join me at the higher levels, for more money, will get more of my individual time and attention. So I'm here to help you. Name's Rob Fraser. Link is below. See you in the next video.